Thank you, Madam Chairman. I appreciate you holding this hearing today, and I appreciate Gene for working so hard in putting together a bill. No bills are perfect, but at least maybe we can get this thing and move it along to where we start remedying the problems which may have started in Mississippi and Louisiana, Alabama, and Texas, but are obviously spreading quickly along all coastal areas of this country that are subject to storm. Manhattan, the island of Manhattan, not excluded. The district in Louisiana I represent is almost entirely in the hard-to-insure part of the state, and every day I get calls, emails, and letters from constituents begging that the Congress do something about the insurance crisis in South Louisiana. I've brought some of those, and we can enter those into the record. One is a guy named Roy Barrios of South Lafourche, who wrote me saying that Allstate recently canceled his homeowner's insurance policy, and he now will have to pay 3 times as much for coverage from Louisiana's insurance last resort. He was only 2 months shy of being covered by Louisiana's consumer protection laws that would have kept his policy from being canceled, although he noted that Allstate is still happy to renew his profitable automobile insurance policy. Similarly, Todd Ramirez of Thibodaux, Louisiana, told me his annual premium increased in 1 year from $1,188 to $4,165, almost 300%. Jeanette Changus of Houma, Louisiana, said her premium increased $200 per month. In a letter to me, she wrote, "Having spent most of my life living in Terrebonne Parish, it never occurred to me that I would be forced to move from the place I love and have called home for most of my life. Unfortunately, my family and I are being forced to make this sad decision. These are only a few of the many stories I hear from people who are being forced to leave their homes and their communities. We in Congress must act quickly to solve this insurance crisis so that middle-class families, the backbone of our economy, can continue to afford to live in coastal communities. All-peril insurance, like the proposal Mr. Taylor has, would go a long way in addressing some of the insurance problems highlighted by Katrina and Rita."